This particular brake pad, the D1212, fits many applications, rear brakes on many applications. Now the pad itself is the same, the backing plate is exactly the same. The difference though in the applications comes with the hardware. Now what we do to save the parts store from stocking 4 or 5 different applications, we will put multiple hardware kits in that box. Now it's your job to pick the right ones when you're putting the brake job together. In this application, you're getting 8 pieces of hardware. You're only going to use 4 of them. If you look close, these 4 do not have a notch. These 4 have a little bump on the top. Other than that, they look exactly the same until you measure the gap between here. In this case right here, and if we pick up this one, it's quite a bit narrower. By looking at it, boy, is it hard to see, but if you'd install the narrow one where it calls for the wide one, that will rub against the rotor and cause a high-pitched squeal as you're driving. So it's critical to really inspect the hardware, especially when they give you more than you need, to see if there's a difference between the 2 sets. Always install it, then inspect it, and then trial fit it before you let it go out the door.